All right. So for this one, when you're looking at the graphs of these, your log graph is going to look like one of two things. It's either going to look like this, or it's going to look like this. It depends on whether your base is a number greater than 0, or if it's, or I'm sorry, greater than 1, or if it's a number that's less than 1. So again, thinking this is log base a of x. Okay? So in this particular case, since our base is a fraction smaller than 1, we're going to use this red graph as our kind of base graph. So the vertical asymptote, it starts at x equals 0. So this is your VA. Okay, and the only shifting that would occur on this, left to right, is if there was parentheses around the log. So something like this, log 1/6 of x minus 3 would be shifted to the right 3. So the vertical asymptote would be 3, and then everything would get shifted to the right 3 units. And you were asking about what, the domain and range? Yeah. And so on this, the vertical asymptote helps dictate the domain for this function. So the domain, it starts at 0. It doesn't actually ever hit 0, but that's the lowest limit, and it extends to infinity. It never reaches infinity. It doesn't reach the asymptote. It gets closer and closer to it, but doesn't touch it. So that's your domain. And the range is your y values. Well, the y values extend all the way to negative infinity is the lowest. And again, even though this gradually increases here, it continues to increase infinitely. So the highest possible y value would be positive infinity. And then again, if you wanted to find what your x-intercept is, the very simple way to find that by hand here is just let y equals 0. So if we plug in a 0 here, 0 is equal to, you guys realize you're from Oregon / Washington, right? Okay. So you guys have seen rain. Nobody's brand new. Shannon, you've been in Oregon for a while, right? I don't know. I didn't know if you were a new student or if you've been here for a while. Exactly. Yeah. So,
Well, it's just, it went from not, no problem.
all right. So guys, if you are going to solve for if you are going to solve for the x-intercept by hand, you can do that. You just, again, let y equals 0, and then solve your equation. The way that you solve the equation is you rewrite it in its exponential form. So, guys, so your base of 1/6 to the power of whatever's on the other side, 0, is equal to what's inside the log x. Well, anything to the 0 power has a value of 1. So your x-intercept is going to be 1, 0. Okay, so I think that's all the parts that I asked you regarding that question.